Good afternoon. I'm just 2 years later putting this Autopilot Old Town 136 on the water, and it's working pretty good. I got my buddy Kevin out here with me. We're out here in Hunt, Texas, on Lake Ingram in the Guadalupe. It's really nice. Kevin's right there behind me. I don't know if you can see him. Where is he at? There he is. But yeah, it's a nice day out, and I'll show you. This is powered by Minn-Kota iPilot trolling motor. You can steer it with your feet, left or right, or you can use a remote, which I have used, but it's a little cumbersome. I'd just rather use my feet. So it's working pretty good, and anxious to use it for ministry. So how we doing, Kevin? You doing all right? All right. Anyway, we're out here. It's a beautiful day on the water. It's not too bad, not too windy, and it's a little warm for March. I've got to be honest with you. What do you think? Is it a little warm for March? It's a little warm for March, isn't it? 90 degrees here in Texas, South Texas. So, well, we're kind of in the hill country, so I guess we are in the hill country. All right, we'll check back later. Love you guys. All right, I caught my first bass. I think this is a Guadalupe. I don't know by the markings, but it's pretty. I caught him on a spinner, and just wanted to show you guys. Say hi. Okay, cool. All right, I just hooked into this big piggy perch. It's like the biggest one ever. You would be good cut bait, buddy. Stop it. Sorry about that. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Because you love me and you need me and you have nice stripes. Alright, there we go. Just caught my first redfish of the day. He's not going to be big enough, but let's get a measurement anyway. Ow! Oh, you're pretty, buddy. Sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. Yes. Mwah.